Do you want free crypto without spending a single dollar? Airdrops are giving away thousands of dollars every month. Here's how you can claim yours, step by step. In the previous video, I explained what crypto airdrops are, their different types, and also shared the top exchanges that offer airdrops. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get free crypto without making any investment. What is an airdrop? Quick explanation: airdrops are free token giveaways by crypto projects to promote their coin or platform. To get crypto airdrops effectively and safely, you need a few essential tools and platforms. These tools help you participate, stay secure, track opportunities, and increase eligibility. Tools wallets you need. First wallet you need is MetaMask. MetaMask is a browser extension and mobile app wallet used to interact with Ethereum and other EVM-compatible chains like BNB Chain, Arbitrum, Polygon, and more. Most airdrops today are EVM-based, making MetaMask the most essential wallet for airdrop hunters. It's free, beginner-friendly, and highly supported across DeFi platforms. Second, you need Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet is a mobile-only wallet that supports a huge variety of blockchains, including Ethereum, BNB Chain, Solana, and others. It's easy to use, especially for beginners on mobile, and includes built-in support for dApps, staking, and even NFTs. Many mobile-focused airdrops support Trust Wallet directly. Third one is Phantom Wallet for Solana ecosystem. Phantom is the go-to wallet for Solana-based projects. If an airdrop is happening on the Solana network, Phantom is usually the wallet they support. It's clean, fast, and easy to use, with both browser and mobile app versions. Solana airdrops are often lightweight, fast, and gas-free, making Phantom a great tool to have. Here are some others: non-custodial wallets, where you control the private keys, perfect for airdrop participation across different ecosystems. Rabi Wallet, SafePal, OKX Wallet, BitGet Wallet, XDeFi Wallet. How you can find the latest airdrops. These websites are specifically designed to list ongoing, upcoming, and past airdrops, often providing instructions and eligibility criteria. They are usually your first stop. Where to find airdrop? Airdrops.io, one of the most popular and regularly updated platforms. It provides clear instructions, eligibility requirements, and often links to the official project pages. CoinMarketCap Airdrops, CoinGecko Airdrops, DappRadar Airdrops, Earnify, AirdropAlert.com, AirdropsMob.com, FreeAirdrop.io, and AirdropBob.com. These are also similar platforms that aggregate airdrop information. Important note: while these sites are helpful, always cross-reference information with the project's official channels, website, Twitter, Discord, Telegram, before connecting your wallet or performing any tasks. Scammers often create fake versions of popular airdrop sites. Number 2. Crypto news sites and blogs. Many reputable crypto news outlets and blogs have dedicated sections or regularly publish articles about upcoming airdrops and opportunities. CoinDesk, Cointelegraph, The Block, Decrypt, project-specific blogs or announcements. Number 3. Social media and online communities. X, formerly Twitter, Discord, Telegram, Reddit. Number 4. Blockchain ecosystems and project websites. Some of the most valuable airdrops are retroactive or activity-based, rewarding early users of a protocol or network after the fact. This means actively engaging with promising projects before they launch a token. Number 5. Centralized exchanges or CEXs. Some centralized exchanges like Binance, Bybit, and Kraken occasionally host or announce airdrops for their users, often as part of learn and earn campaigns or to reward active traders. Check their announcement sections or dedicated airdrop portals. Same as I told you in last video, beware of scams. Never share your private key or seed phrase. Never send crypto to claim an airdrop. Check URLs carefully. Verify official announcements. Stay active on-chain. Use a dedicated airdrop wallet. Document everything. Now come to the last part of the video, how to claim airdrops step by step. Step 1. Follow the project. Twitter, Telegram, Discord. Step 2. Complete tasks. Like, retweet, and tag friends. Join Telegram or Discord. Sign up with your wallet address. Step 3. Connect wallet. Go to official site. Click Connect wallet. Always check URL. Step 4. Fill out Google form if required. Add wallet address, your social media handles, email if needed. Step 5. Wait for distribution. Tokens are often dropped after campaign ends. If this helped you, drop a like, share this video with your crypto buddies, and subscribe for more free tricks.